Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on 2D shapes, extension work. In previous videos we saw examples of basic 2D shapes. In this video we will do some extension work involving these shapes. Now this video will involve some questions, and I'll give you time to look at the questions and to answer them at your leisure. And the question for each slide is on the following slide. So for this slide here, I will just leave it on for 10 or 15 seconds, gives you a chance to read it. Just write the answers on a sheet of paper, and I'll move to the next slide where the answers are in about 10 or 15 seconds. You can pause the video at any time to give you more time to look at the slide. Now I'll go across to the answers for this slide, and here they are. So they're the three answers. And very shortly I'll move on to the next slide, which contains more questions. Okay, here's the next slide with some questions. Now I'll move to the next slide where I'll give you the answers. So have a look at those carefully. Remember, you can pause the slides at any time to give you a chance to answer the questions and to look at the answers. Now I will move on to the next slide, which has another set of questions. And now I'll move on to the answers for this slide. There they are. So remember, at any time during this video you can pause the slides for as long as you want to give you a chance to do the questions or to check the answers. So this video has given you some good practice on various aspects of 2D shapes.